Volkswagen Passat, Golf, Jetta and many others with keyless. Sometimes it's hard to start. You must push hard this button until you can get start car. So now to take it out you must lift. It's just clips. Everywhere is clips. So I begin in front. After take out connector. Connector is like that. You must push this with small screwdriver and after you slide out, and after you must push this and that, then you can take it up. Yes, from here it slides out. So now gonna go to try to do something with that. To take it out in pieces you must unclip here, all four sides. There is this clips which you must open. This one it's just use force and take out. And what else? Those also just slide it out and it jumps out. So now we found inside a button, and here is you see some shiny things. Just clean that. And that's it. And clean here, and it starts working like new. I use some alcohol to clean and put everything back, and after it works like new. See you next time. I also decided to brush a little bit with sandpaper those pads. So now brushed and gonna see. So now I have changed after this cleaning. Let's see if I push. Yes, it starts immediately. Soft and easy, like new. So if your button sometimes is not pushing, not starting, do like this and you're gonna be happy. See you next time.